Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore a specific type of shape called the acute triangle. You might have seen these pointy shapes before, but today we will define exactly what makes them special. Before we look at the triangle itself, let's quickly remember what an angle is. Specifically, we need to know about the acute angle. An acute angle is simply any angle that measures less than 90 degrees. Think of it as a sharp, narrow corner. So, what is an acute triangle? The definition is very strict but simple. An acute triangle is a triangle where all three of its internal angles are acute. Every single corner must be less than 90 degrees. Let's visualize this. On the left, we have a standard right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees, like the corner of a square. On the right, notice how the acute angle is smaller and fits inside that corner. In an acute triangle, every corner looks like the one on the right. The most perfect example of an acute triangle is the equilateral triangle. Here, every side is the same length, and every angle is exactly 60 degrees. Since 60 is less than 90, an equilateral triangle is always an acute triangle. Next, let's look at an isosceles triangle. This triangle has two equal sides. As long as the triangle is tall enough, all the angles will remain less than 90 degrees, making it an acute triangle as well. It also works for scalene triangles, where no sides are equal. Even if the shape looks a bit lopsided, as long as the largest angle is still less than 90 degrees, it qualifies as an acute triangle. We can verify this with math. We know that the angles inside any triangle must add up to 180 degrees. In our example here, 60 plus 70 plus 50 equals 180. And crucially, every single number is less than 90. Be careful not to confuse it with other triangles. If a triangle has even one angle that is 90 degrees, it is a right triangle. If it has an angle greater than 90, it is an obtuse triangle. Neither of these are acute triangles. To summarize, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. An acute triangle must have three acute angles. If you see a right angle or a wide obtuse angle, it is not an acute triangle. Remember, think sharp and narrow for all three corners.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.